everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today is day 3 of my mini series. Woohoo! So I did bring it down a notch and we're gonna make a tag. So this is a egg-shaped acetate tag and I'm cutting my acetate here. I picked up my acetate from Amazon. I will have it linked below. So the die is also from Amazon. The confetti was gifted to me by Tree. Those circle confettis are resin pieces or some sort of plasticky material, and then the sequence is from different places. If you'd like me to let you know where that's from, I can just leave a comment down below. And so I punched out a hole with my puncher from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to include these circle, I forgot what they're called, but I will link it below. I picked them up from Amazon, like little rings. And I did sew the acetate. I didn't show that on camera. I forgot to hit the play button when it was time to film, so I intended to show that. And so I wanted to show that so you can see how I add the sequence once I'm sewing, because it is difficult to get a hang of things. And so here we are. I needed to use these stickers, you guys. I bought all of these stickers, and the projects that I'm looking at making I don't think are going to use, so I kind of changed things up today. I was going to make some embellishments, so I decided to make an acetate tag because of the stickers. So I love using stickers on acetate because they adhere so well to the acetate and it's like a magnet. So I did add that bunny sticker. Now I'm adding a sentiment. I do snip it off because it's too long, so I cut it in half and I attach it to the front of the egg, and everything is just basically sticking the sticker on, just finding a place for it, as well as having some confetti sticking out, and that way you can see it's festive, very festive for Easter. I wasn't too sure about the sequence that I chose. I wanted to choose a little bit of a muted sequence that it was a sequence that I made a few weeks ago that I still had. And I wanted to use that. However, it did have gold in it and I wasn't too sure about the gold. I love, the colorful pink and blue and yellows for Easter, and so I decided to go with this sequence. I'm adding this umbrella. I thought, you know what, let's go ahead and add an umbrella and then just put the little duck underneath it as if it needs an umbrella, right? So I did add that, and I believe I added some flowers. I'm gonna pick out some flowers, I believe. No, I picked out a rainbow. Scratch that. Oh no. See, I knew it. I knew I picked out a butterfly. So yeah, there is the butterfly. I think it looks great together. So that's tag 2. I wanted to make an extra tag, so go with 5. However, since I changed my mind about today, I'm having difficult completing it. I almost skipped, you guys. So I am here. I'm glad I'm here. I'm glad I'm able to provide a video for you guys for this series. I don't want to skip now, as I mentioned that I may, but I'm gonna do my best, you guys, and I am really trying here. Like I said, I was gonna make an embellishment today, so I opted for this because of the stickers, and so it did take a lot of time to plan and prepare. And so I decided to add the basket, add the flowers behind it, and then a sentiment that says Easter Day. The last tag, you guys, it's going fairly quick, and I'm undecisive of what to choose. I do like a lot of stickers. I decided to use the sunshine since I did use the rain for, the umbrella. It's supposed to be raining, and the duck is there enjoying that while a butterfly is stuck to the umbrella. So I decided, hey, we need sun. Where's the sun at? So after the rain, it's a little wet. You need your boots, and there's a carrot right under the boot and a flower. So I thought that was such a cute little tag right there. So here's all 4 tags. I hope you guys enjoyed this and learned a little bit. And I want to add some seam binding. I picked up this seam binding from Etsy. I will have it linked below. So I did pick up seam binding from 2 companies on Etsy, or from 2 shops on Etsy. However, I decided to use this one. This one was a darker color, and I wanted a pop of color to peek out from the top. And so I chose to go with the teal, the dark pink, and the pastel pink. And then later I decided needed more ribbon, so I added some more. A quick mention where I got the key ring is from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studios. I will have her link below. I also want to say thank you so much for the support I'm getting on this series. A lot of you have said you enjoyed it, and I appreciate it so much because it is my first Easter series. And you know, when you're doing something like this, you don't know what the turnout is going to be. And so I just want to thank you guys. I appreciate you so much. So here's the tag right here. I added some more yarn. I made this charm here. So I didn't add too much beads to it. Did some wire wrapping, added those beads from Hobby Lobby, and also decided to punch out this little bunny. And I use, believe it or not, some school folders, plastic ones. So I used the plastic school folders from Target, and I die cut that little bunny out, and I made a charm. I think it looks really cute. A pop of yellow there. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you guys will gain some inspiration from this. If not, get some ideas. Thank you so much. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.